How to turn on or turn off text tone on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. In here, scroll down and then tap on Text Tone. Now to turn it off, you can select None. So you still be able to receive notifications from text messages, but it will not play any sound. Otherwise, to turn it on, you can select one of the available tone. Okay, so the note tone is the default tone. And that is how you can turn it on or off. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.